My first impressions with the Repsol Honda on the test was really good. The people, the dynamic of work that is completely different from the one that I've been, and you know, I like it, the way of work. Well, I try to adapt to this new challenge with being quite optimistic and having the will of to be in a new team. No, personally, I always enjoy these type of things, to know the new things. How is the team, the bike, the people, to meet all the team. Well, my feelings when I join a team like this one is unbelievable. No, I think that every rider has imagined himself with these colors. So being part of it is makes me really proud to arrive in such a sweet moment on my career. So let's see what we can do. I never wear these colors on the past, but in my dreams and everything, I do it. So yeah, it's something really nice. To share the box with Mark is something is a true challenge, because he's the best rider on the grid, and the one was with more titles, and this is something that can be really good from one way, and probably more difficult in the other one. He's able to ride in a way that this bike asks for, going really fast into the corner, and faster than probably the bike that I have tried on the past. But then the way that that the bike gives you the power is different compare the one that I tried before. My goal for 2023, well, first of all, we have to be realistic. We arrive in a difficult moment, and will be the key to adapt quickly to this bike, and then to try to build some confidence, some speed during the first races, and then from the middle season try to be closer to the podium, closer to the great result. That will be the goal. With Mark, we were chatting after the test. Is something normal, no? When a new rider came to the box and tried the bike, you want to hear what is his feelings.